Good evening friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Agri Business A Journey. Today I will discuss about production concepts and economics. You all know that production means it is an activity that increase the usability in product and services. It is an activity in which we use our resources for production of different type of the products and services. You all know that when I am highlighting inputs, it is more connected to the factors, and when I am highlighting about the outputs, it more connected with the products. You all know the input means it may be seed, fertilizer, tractor, labor in agricultural scenario, and if you discuss about the dairy sector, then it is maybe feed, fodder, labor, insurance, all are the inputs in connected with the dairy sector. Similarly, in output part, you will find different type of the products just like the wheat, bursim, maize, straw. In dairy sector, it may be the milk, cow dung, urine. All these are the output or the final product that has been processed through different type of the inputs. What is your ultimate objective? To learn about production concept and economics. The simple is you have to increase the optimized utilization of the resources, or you have to try how to minimize the cost and maximize the revenue. It looks so simple, nothing worry about in it, but the problem is that how to maintain the optimized utilization of the resources. All in the same slide, you just observe I have highlighted different type of the varieties of inputs and different type of the varieties of output. When you need a tractor, for the utilization of the single input, you need another input, that is the driver or the labor or the skilled labor. If you use the hybrid seed, then to utilization of the or improve the utilization of the hybrid seed, you need fertilizers or the chemical fertilizers or the better quality of fertilizers. So ultimately, in the left hand side, whatever the input you have used, they have been substituted with each other in different ways. So every time in production economics, some fundamental concept has come in the factor-factor relationship or factor-factor substitutional effect. Similarly, in the right side, you have produced different type of the product. But the question is, when you produce wheat simultaneously, in the end, you got the straw. It means wheat always be connected with the straw in production process. You may call as wheat and straw combinedly called as the joint product. In the same field, if you produce bursim, which helps in the nitrogen fixation, it helps the quality of the soil improved, or the improvement of the quality of the soil, that helps to increase the production of the maize and the paddy in the subsequent crop cultivation. So bursim and maize may be connected or called as the complementary product. In the same field, if you divide the field in two parts, one part you have produced the wheat and another part you have produced the maize, then both of them are called as the supplementary product. Just you observe, in the same production concept, numbers of permutation and combination has been observed either in the input side or factor side, or either in the production side or the output or the product side. And another relationship also observed, increase the input whether has been impacted on the output production or not. So numbers of permutation combinations has been observed. On that basis, You learn total cost, average cost, marginal cost, isoquant line or isoquant curve. Similarly, in the output side, you know total productivity, average productivity, marginal productivity, ISO revenue line. If both the cost part and the revenue part you have to handle properly, then you better know, or you can understand in a better way, that is the break-even point, expansion path, in which path an organization will grow by which it will get maximum revenue for its sustainability. Opportunity cost of principles. Suppose I have a very limited land, whether I go for the crop production or the dairy production or the poultry production. You also learn, if you have handle economics part in a proper way, you have a idea how to handle the risk and uncertainties. You all know that farmers invest everything looking into the climate. So if your cost principles and the production principles and all the permutation and combination of the input and output, you know it perfectly by calculation through economics or microeconomics, you will be a better individual, or maybe called as a better entrepreneur, to take the decisions against all type of the risk and uncertainties. In the end, you know, if you learn everything in microeconomics, it will be helpful for you to go for specialization or the diversification. In the same production concept and economics, numbers of things you have to learn in my subsequent videos. Just watch all my videos. Definitely you learn a lot when I have completed microeconomics chapter for all of you. Thank you all. Thank you all to watch my video.